Hi everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. Today I'm going to show you how I use my massage roller. I love this little thing. It is great for massaging any tight areas that you may have. Just roll it up and down the arms. It is fabulous for getting into tight muscles. The ball is smooth and it just rolls freely. And you can apply as much pressure or as little pressure as you like when you roll the ball up and down your arm, in my case, and wow, my muscles, my biceps love it. I really felt it in the triceps actually. It is wonderful. If you've got muscle restrictions or any myofascial pain, you're gonna notice that it helps to loosen it up. If you've been doing any type of work that caused you to do many repetitive motions, you'll notice how well it opens everything up. And you know, you can really get in there. You know, I'm actually getting my deltoid and I'm noticing a great relief it's offering. And I'm doing it over my clothes, which I like. You don't need to have a bare arm in this case. You can get up on the shoulder. You do have to be mindful when you go over certain joints, but actually it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt as you do it. So I like this massage roller ball. It is wonderful. This is my purple one. I have different colors, but it works really well, and a lot of people have given me great feedback on this. They say it's easy, simple to carry, simple to take with you wherever you go. Put it in your purse, put it in your gym bag. Great after an intense workout where you need a little bit of a massage treatment that's simple and easy. And that's it for my massage roller ball. Hope you like this video. If you do, please like below, subscribe as well, and feel free to ask me any questions that you have. I love hearing from you. So that's it for today. Have a great day, everybody.